So here we go. Ceiling's in. New windows are in. Have to put some battens on the ceiling. Trimmed out the windows with the same product, birch veneer, rather than MDF board or paneling. It's a bit of a chore, but coming along okay. Still have to replace some paneling, do some reinforcing. Thing's a weapon, that's for sure. Took the door apart, painting the furnace, other components. Got to put the door back together. Shouldn't be too bad. Here's the other half of the door. Here. I'm gonna plywood the whole thing. 1 3/8. Should work out okay. Pretty sure the trailer's winning. Stained and verithaned another sheet. Have to stain 2 more, hopefully keep the flies out of her. Gonna refloor the jump up seats up above. Get them 5.5 mahogany. The seat material came in. Flooring's in. Got to pull a couple of 12 hours on her, I guess. Get her around the bend here.